Dreaming of a job overseas? Check out these top job search sites for visa sponsorship in 2024. LinkedIn is your go-to for networking and finding global job listings with visa options. Connect with recruiters and follow companies to stay updated on openings. Next, there's Indeed. It's a powerhouse for job searches across various industries. Filter by location, remote jobs and visa sponsorship. Plus, it offers salary insights and company reviews. For company insights, try Glassdoor. It's perfect for job searching, comparing salaries and reading about company culture. Simply Hired is great for its user-friendly interface and broad job listings, especially in North America. Monster offers global job searches and career advice, ideal for those looking to prepare for applications and interviews. Career Builder is a top choice for US job seekers with a focus on diverse industries. For tech jobs, check out Stack Overflow Jobs and AngelList. Both cater to tech professionals and offer visa-sponsored roles. Need more options? Try expat.com, goabroad.com, and Jobatical for specialized international opportunities. Happy job hunting!